Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Div, as D-I-P, Div, Princess of the ISO. 3 rules for define watching my video are: first, I'm not a native speaker of English language, but I am going to try my best in discussion the lesson using the English language. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I am willing to accept all your advice to improve my English skills. Second, all of the contents of my video clip is come from my own experience. More than 20 years, for example, 5S, TPM, TQM, QC7 tools, and many more. Third, if you're watching my video on YouTube, I invite you to subscribe and turn on notifications. If you have any questions, leave the comments below the clip. Let's work together. Today, I will talk about the worldwide popular method to order to maintain and improve your workplace environment. I am sure you will be able to make a great. That is the 5S. Of course, 5S principle. Today I will teach 5S in only 10 minutes. Let's go. 5S principle, which is very well known as the Japan. 5S has 5 steps. We call 5S because every step begins with the S alphabet. There are seiri or sort, and Seito or set to order, Seiso or stride. Fourth is seiketsu or standardize, and the last one, shitsuke and sustain. I will talk about the definition and steps of each one. Let's go. If your workplace has too many things, it's so big mess like this, I will use 5S principle to correct the problem. Let's go to see. The first S is sort. That means you should have to separate necessary thing and the unnecessary thing out. Necessary. This S have 3 steps, which are survey, separate, and eliminate. The second S is set to order. That means you should put the thing in the right place. This S have 4 steps. Set what is your necessary. Categorize. Keep your thing in order. Put your other frequency things stuff in near you. And put your occasionally use stuff in farther away. The third S is choice. That means you should clean equipment, machine, and your workplace. By this F have 3 steps is set up the area of the responsibility, eliminate the cause of dirtiness, cleanliness, and the fourth S is standardize. That means keep the standards long lasting. The fourth S is standardize. That means keep the standards long lasting. This S has 3 steps. Try to not keep unnecessary things in your area. Do not make a mess. Make it clean. The last S is strength. That means stable, the awareness and the good mindset about the rule. And training employees to research gain and new knowledge and improve your workplace. This S has 4 steps is visual control. Measuring the effectiveness of 5S. Make a contest of 5S slogan. Compare before and after. I will show you 5S in the real life, why 5S is not start from child or clean. For example, if you are a handsome guy, one day there are a phone call from a lady. I want to go to your room. When you hang up, you look around your room. There is a big mess in your room. Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no!
There's not even enough space to mow around. What should you do first? Clean? No. You have to first sort out your thing and put the unnecessary thing far away. What should you do next? Clean? No. You have to put the thing in order. After that, you will make your room dry. That's the reasons why 5S is not start from shining. You know, what after you shine your room, the other call from same lady telling you that I have to cancel the visit. 5S is a good activity to practice. It will great if your organization make it as a routine. Moreover, not only a cleanliness of your workplace, but they will also increase the morale of your employee, reduce the accident of the work, lower the cost, reduce the loss of equipment and stationery, increase the area workspace. And the last one, the working process is easier and quicker. Now, I have complete to explain. I hope you like it and bring it up in your organization. Again, do not forget if you have any question, feel free to leave comment below. See you in next clip. For me, the princess of the ISO. Bye for now.